Hey, what's up, honeycrunchers? It's me, Jham, and welcome back to honeycrunch321. On September 11, 2020, I placed an order at Easy Deal on Shopee to buy NailTech polishes. And my orders arrived on September 18, 2020. And they're inside a box with bubble wrap. Now let's check out the nail polishes. We have 01, 16, 20, 35, 71, 84, which is a shade I don't remember buying, so I checked my order and the number of the shade is the same with my order, but the color that arrived is totally different from what I've chosen. Then I ordered 97 and 98, and what I received are two shades of 97s. Then we have 99, 106, 114, and 141. I haven't tried these nail polishes yet, and I'm a bit disappointed in the mix-up of my orders. I wanted to complete all of these blue shades, but sadly, two of the wrong orders were from this set. If you guys enjoyed today's video, don't forget to hit like, share this video to your awesome friends, and subscribe. Follow me on Instagram to get the latest updates and more. And that's it for today, you guys. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you on my next video. Stay safe. Bye!